Alright YouTube, this is Jay from J&T Customs. We are back in the shop. Mustang's on hold for the moment. We are waiting for some materials and parts to show up. And we're also making a decision on what we want to do. I'm actually going to make a video that sits there and says, what do you want us to do? Do you want us to do a 5.4 4-valve? Or do you want us to go all the way and do a 7.3 Godzilla? So that's where we are right now with that project. Waiting for some materials to come back for it, and then we'll get back up on that. In the meantime, what we're going to do here is we're going to work on Lucy. Lucy is our 7.3. No, I got 7.3 Godzilla on the brain. She is our F350 Dually. She is a King Ranch, and we take her just about everywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to give her some lights. So right now, I'm going to put these in here. These are Curtesy lights. What we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole through the side mirror right here, and then this guy will go in right here. So when you open the door, it'll shine some Curtesy lighting on the ground. This is just a bling situation. I thought we'd put it in. It would be fun. All right, and we're also going to put in some amber lights on the running boards. These here, grab a hold of you. These here are going to go down here. Okay, all the way across. Whoops, this way, all the way across this way. All right, and those will be amber lights. We do have some red ones also, and they'll go on the back. These little guys right here. These are LEDs, and they'll go on the back. We're also going to be putting in a bed. This is for the bed, and what this does is it lights up the back of the bed. Okay, so we're going to be putting these in too, and we'll show you how to do all of that in the next upcoming episodes. So hang in there. We'll be back. This is J&T Customs. This is Jay, and if you like what we're doing, give us a like, subscribe, give us some comments. This way YouTube knows that we're actually active and we're doing some things. We appreciate that. All right, we'll talk to you soon.